I'm always being asked for examples on different ways to use ClickUp and different ways to use the AI within ClickUp as well. So I thought I'd do a bit of a demonstration on something that we've been playing around with today. So what you're looking at here is my actual continuous improvement list from within my own ClickUp account. So these are, we've got 86 different improvement ideas on things that we want to roll out, processes we want to change, new things that we'd like to implement. So what I've gone and done is created 2 different AI prompts. The first one looks at the information it can find on the task. So it looks at the task name plus anything else that I've put into the description. And then it actually maps out the steps required for that task. So it's almost creating the subtasks or the action items that we need to add to that task to effectively be able to start to delegate this out and action these to be able to roll out the new idea. The second prompt over on the right-hand side looks at the steps required, and then what it goes and does is it breaks down approximately how long this is going to take. So we have 2 different versions. We have an experienced one, which is for more the people who know what they're going to do, and then for a newbie, so someone who's not familiar with ClickUp or the way that we work here. And what that does is then gives us a time estimate. So it will break it down into the individual subtasks themselves, and then it will give us that total amount of time. So we can quickly see, okay, for us to go ahead and update our onboarding task, it's potentially going to take around 7 hours for someone who knows what they're doing to go and update all of that based on all of these different subtasks. Now, the reason why this is handy is, one, it helps us start to capacity plan. We can get a really good expectation of how long this is going to take. Obviously, we often think it's a lot quicker than what it is, but it just means, one, we have the actionable steps on what we need to go ahead and do, but then we also have this total time estimate as well. So if that's something you'd like to look at implementing into your own account, I'm more than happy to share the prompts that we've used for these, but we're pretty excited on where this is going and what it could end up looking like for us.